According to short-term rental expert and podcaster Jasper Ribbers, many Airbnb hosts fail not because of the property itself, but because they treat hosting like passive income instead of a professional hospitality business. His advice comes from years of operating properties and interviewing top hosts on the podcast Get Paid for Your Pad. Below are 10 mistakes Ribbers frequently highlights or warns hosts about. 1. Treating Airbnb like passive income. Many hosts assume Airbnb will run itself after listing the property. In reality, successful hosting requires daily operational attention, messaging guests, managing cleaners, pricing adjustments, and reviewing bookings. 2. Poor guest communication. Ribbers repeatedly emphasizes communication as one of the most critical skills. Sending too much information at once, or failing to send the right information at the right time, frustrates guests. Good hosts send clear check-in instructions, provide information when guests need it, respond quickly to questions. 3. Ignoring revenue management. Many hosts simply set a price and leave it. Ribbers teaches that professional hosts review pricing daily and weekly based on demand signals and booking trends. Mistakes include static pricing, not adjusting for events or seasonality, ignoring booking pace. 4. Not building systems. Ribbers stresses that mistakes and problems will happen, but top operators build systems to detect and solve issues early. Without systems, hosts constantly react to crises. Examples of systems: automated messaging, cleaning checklists, maintenance tracking. 5. Underestimating the importance of reviews. Airbnb now aggressively enforces quality standards. If ratings drop, listings can be suspended or removed. Many hosts ignore negative reviews, fail to fix recurring issues, don't respond professionally. 6. Marketing only to one type of traveler. Ribbers learned this personally. Early in his career, he targeted only international tourists, which became risky when travel stopped during COVID. Smart hosts diversify: domestic travelers, remote workers, long-term stays. 7. Overcomplicating guest information. Sending a huge message full of rules and instructions overwhelms guests. Ribbers suggests short, timely communication instead of long manuals. 8. Misreading booking data. Professional hosts analyze booking patterns. Ribbers explains that bookings reveal pricing mistakes and demand signals. For example, early bookings may mean your price is too low. Empty weekends may signal poor visibility. 9. Being reactive instead of proactive. Many hosts wait until guests complain before fixing issues. Ribbers advocates anticipating problems before guests notice them. 10. Focusing on perfection instead of guest care. Things will inevitably go wrong: power outages, broken appliances, or weather problems. Ribbers says guests usually forgive problems if the host responds quickly and professionally. Ribbers' core philosophy: successful Airbnb hosts behave like hospitality operators and revenue managers, not casual landlords. Since you're refurbishing houses and turning them into guest houses, which you mentioned before, I can also show you 10 advanced strategies that Ribbers says top 1% Airbnb hosts use to maximize profit. These are very practical for hosts who want to scale.